In this video, I'll guide you through how to authenticate API requests in HubSpot. Whether you're building a custom integration or simply need to access data programmatically, understanding how to authenticate your API requests is essential. Let's dive in and explore the steps you need to take to set this up effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to the correct area within your HubSpot account to begin setting up your authentication. Start by heading over to the settings menu. Once you're there, look for the integration section. This is where you'll find the tools you need to create and manage connections to external applications. Within integrations, you'll see an option labeled private apps. Click on that and you'll be taken to the place where you can manage any private apps you've created or are about to create. Next, you'll need to create a new private app, which is pivotal for generating the credentials you need to authenticate your API requests. Look for the button that says Create a Private App and click on it. At this stage, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information about your app. This typically includes the name of your app and a brief description of its purpose. It's a good idea to be descriptive here, not only for your own clarity, but also for anyone else who might be managing these integrations in the future. Once you've filled in the basic information, move over to the Scopes tab. Now, this part is crucial because you'll need to specify exactly what your app needs to be able to do within HubSpot. Scopes define the permissions your app will have. For instance, if your app needs to read contact data, you might select crm.objects.contacts.read from the list of available scopes. Be sure to choose only the permissions your app truly requires, as this is a best practice for maintaining security and minimizing risk. After you've selected the necessary scopes, you're ready to finalize the creation of your app. Click the Create App button to proceed. This is a critical moment because the next screen will display your access token. The access token is your app's key to interacting with HubSpot's API. Be sure to copy this token immediately and store it securely, as this will be your only chance to do so. HubSpot won't display this token again for security reasons, so it's important to save it in a safe place where you can easily retrieve it when needed. And there you have it. You've successfully set up authentication for your API requests in HubSpot. With your access token securely stored, you're now ready to start making authenticated API calls to HubSpot and unlocking the potential of data-driven operations. Remember, maintaining the security of your access token is crucial. Treat it like a password and ensure it's never exposed or shared unnecessarily. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out some of our other guides on HubSpot integrations and features. Happy coding!